Привіт, друзі! Ласкаво прошу на канал VERBA. Today we will have the 9th lesson for beginners and we will talk about the structures that helps us to express our preferences. Different ways to say that we like or do not like something. And the first way is to say мені подобається. Yeah, by the way, today we will talk only about how to express it about myself, because such kinds of structures we use the most frequently. So, мені подобається. Then you need to add the subject that you like in nominative case. Here, pay attention that if your subject is singular, we say подобається. If it's plural, we say подобаються. Yeah and you. Подобається, подобаються. If you like some action and you use a verb, then use infinitive form. Let's take a look at examples. Мені подобається борщ. Мені подобається борщ. Мені подобаються вареники. Мені подобаються вареники. The first example, singular, second, plural. And two other examples are with verbs. Мені подобається грати в футбол. І мені подобається співати. This structure sometimes is difficult because here the object that we talk about, that we like, is expressed by nominative case. Basically, according to the grammar point of view, it is the subject of the sentence. We like say, борщ is liked by me. Something like this. Okay, how to say the same structure but negative? I don't like. You just need to add не. So, мені не подобається борщ. Мені не подобаються вареники. Мені не подобається грати в футбол. Мені не подобається співати. Very simple. Let's move on. The next structure – мені до вподоби. This structure is more advanced, but I thought, why not? It could make your speech richer. So, мені до вподоби has the same principle as the previous one. We use it with nominative case or with infinitive form of the verb. And here you don't care about the number, singular or plural, the form will be just the same. Мені до вподоби. Мені до вподоби рок-музика. Мені до вподоби теніс. Мені до вподоби малювати одяг. Малювати одяг. Одяг, clothes. Малювати to draw. To draw clothes, так? Мені до вподоби працювати онлайн. To work online, right? Працювати онлайн. Отже, мені до вподоби. And also it has the negative form. Мені не до вподоби. I don't like something. Мені не до вподоби щось. For example, мені не до вподоби рок-музика. Мені не до вподоби теніс. Мені не до вподоби малювати одяг. Мені не до вподоби працювати онлайн. А як подобається працювати вам? Онлайн чи офлайн? Бо мені до вподоби працювати онлайн. Okay, well, let's move on to the next way. This one you probably have heard, it's quite frequent. Я люблю. Я люблю can be used both as I like and I love. I would say that this structure is a little bit stronger than мені подобається. But it can be used for different kinds of subjects, food, activities, and for people as well. We use it with accusative case or again infinitive. With the verbs it's very simple. Let's remember how do we form the accusative case. If our object is inanimate, then we change only feminine words. We change them to the endings u or u. So kava becomes kavu, right? Or pasta becomes pastu. Other words, masculine, neuter, plural, do not change if they are inanimate. So we would say я люблю футбол, я люблю борщ, я люблю саке, and so on. If your subject is animate, then feminine words will change in the same way to u, you, and masculine words will change to the ending a, ya. But today we'll speak about preferences not in people but in different objects, so we would just use inanimate objects. So we could say я люблю каву, я люблю чай, я люблю готувати і я люблю читати. Also we may form a negative structure, it will be just with the particle не. Я не люблю каву, я не люблю чай, не люблю готувати, не люблю читати. Now, more interesting structure, because it is stronger. It shows us the highest level of our preferences. Я обожнюю. Я обожнюю. I adore something. Я обожнюю. The grammar formula is the same as for я люблю, so we use either accusative case or infinitive of the verb. So, я обожнюю йогу. Yoga was changed to йогу because it's feminine accusative. Я обожнюю детективи. By the way, this sentence can be used both about books and movies. Я обожнюю подорожувати. Подорожувати. Is this verb new for you? Подорожувати means to travel. And another probably new verb, прибирати. Я обожнюю прибирати. Прибирати means to clean. Who adores to clean except Monica in Friends? I don't know. So, this is, as we said, the strongest way to express our positive preference. But we also may have negative preferences. Can we say like this? So, we can really hate something. And to say I hate, in Ukrainian we need to use this structure. Я ненавиджу. Я ненавиджу. Plus accusative case or infinitive of the verb. So, я ненавиджу йогу. Я ненавиджу детективи. Я ненавиджу подорожувати. Well, a little bit strange structure, but still. And я ненавиджу прибирати. This structure you can hear more often, of course. So, я ненавиджу. And also, I wanted to show you one more way to say that you hate something. Or it's more close to the English structure, I cannot stand something. Я терпіти не можу. Or я не можу терпіти. It could be used in both orders. So, я терпіти не можу, я не можу терпіти, plus accusative case or infinitive of the verb. Я терпіти не можу йогу. Я терпіти не можу детективи. Я терпіти не можу подорожувати. Я терпіти не можу прибирати. So now let's practice a little bit. You have here lists of sentences with all our structures that we just had, and you need to choose the object that you like or don't like and to put it into correct case, nominative or accusative. You can stop the video, make the exercise, and we will check it in a few seconds. Ready? I hope you have done it, because if you're just watching and waiting for the results, it's cheating and it won't be useful for you. So I hope you have done it, and let's check it out. So here are the correct answers. Я люблю каву, accusative case. Мені подобається кава, nominative. Я обожнюю каву, accusative. Мені до вподоби кава, nominative. Negative structures. Я ненавиджу йогу. Мені не до вподоби йога. Я терпіти не можу йогу. Я не люблю йогу. Мені не подобається йога. Ось так. У мене є запитання. I have a question for you. У мене є запитання. Які продукти ви терпіти не можете? Які продукти ви терпіти не можете? So what products, what food you cannot stand, you hate? For example, я терпіти не можу печінку та сирі яйця. It means that I hate liver and raw eggs. Печінку та сирі яйця. А що ви терпіти не можете? Напишіть в коментарях. І якщо вам подобається це відео, поставте, будь ласка, вподобайку цьому відео. А також підпишіться. Also, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. I want to say a huge thank you to all my patrons who support me on Patreon. As usual, the slides will be available for all my patrons in my Patreon post about this video. And once again, guys, thank you for your support, because you make me available to film these videos for you guys and for everyone else on YouTube. And I hope that these videos really help you to learn Ukrainian. So once again, дуже дякую. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, comment, and we'll see you in the next lesson. На все добре!